Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install clipboard software on Windows 11 PC. There are by default clipboard on Windows 11, but when you use third-party clipboard software, you get extra benefit. So I will show you what will be extra benefit on third-party clipboard software. So I open my browser. I download ClipClip Clipboard software. So I show you what is the benefit of this software. So I search ClipClip, then I hit enter. Then this is the official link of ClipClip Clipboard. This is the official website of ClipClip Clipboard software. So the clipboard has elevated experience difference. There are many kind of difference feature. Copy multiple item to your clipboard, extract text from images, OCR, synchronize your clipboard data to cloud, and search clipboard history and translate to any language. So this is the official website of ClipClip software. So I click on free download button. Then it will start downloading. It takes few seconds to download. After download, it will be appear on desktop. Then I will install and I show what is the benefit of this clipboard software. So download is completed. I minimize the browser and I see this is the setup file. So I double click on it. And it will take me permission to install on this computer. So I click on yes. So I click on next button and I accept the agreement and click on next. So it will take few time to install. So installation is completed. So I click on finish and it opened a welcome website and I minimize and I click on apply button. And this is the Clip Pro 2.4.5874. So when I copy any text from anywhere, it is automatically appear on clipboard dashboard. So when I wanted to paste it, I need to press on keyboard Ctrl Shift and V, and then I see the list which was I copied. So like I want to copy this, Ctrl C. Then when I want to paste from the ClipClip keyboard, then I need to press on Ctrl Shift and V. Then it is show here. So that was my video how to install ClipClip software on Windows 11 PC and how to use it. If you watch this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.